I just released something that I truly think will change crypto trading forever, because I just launched an AI trading bot that can help you track your portfolio, can help you find profitable trading setups, and honestly, the craziest part is that you can also copy proven strategies that already have been working. And I mean, honestly, the possibility what you can let this bot do are literally infinite, because you can train it, you can make it better, you can let it find interesting things in the market. So in this video, I will be basically break down how you can exactly launch your own AI trading bots, even if you're starting from zero. Because I'm using Claude. You can also use some different software, but literally this just got released like a couple weeks ago here. I also learned this like in a couple weeks here. And with this video guide, you will just learn it straight away here. So it's super valuable. So let me start running in towards today's video. So now let me start with this tutorial. So I made a step-to-step guide for everyone out there with all the links where you can basically download Claude and all the important stuff you're going to be needing for this trading bot. And you can find this link in my VIP Telegram group here. So if you want to be setting up your trading bot, which is very valuable, you can currently get this link as well in my VIP Telegram group, which I will leave a link towards in the first link in today's video description. Anyways, let me start with the tutorial right now. So how do you set up this trading bot? First of all, you need to choose your AI client. And I am personally using Claude because I personally think Claude is the easier one and the better one to be using. Codex and OpenClaw is also a possibility. In my opinion, I will be using Claude, so I'm going to quickly show you how you are going to be able to install it. So you press on this link and you come to the website of Claude, and it basically gives you a guide on how you install it, but I will quickly tell you how it is done. It is very simple. Basically, you scroll down here, and I am in this case using macOS, so I'm gonna copy this code here, which I need to be filling in my terminal. So what you do next here, whenever you open your terminal, I will blur some things here since, of course, it's sensitive, but basically what you need to do here is copy paste this exact code. You just copy it from the Cloud Docs website, and then it will basically install Claude, the AI software, to your terminal. So you can actually download and install this trading bot here. So you press this, you press enter, and straight away it says setting up Claude. And here you can see it is starting to install Claude. It's very simple, and the installation is complete. So that is already step one done here. Then, of course, we're gonna go to the next step here, which is actually installing the week's skill here. And basically how it works here, you are now installing an AI software, and we're going to learn him some skills. And one of the skills we pre-made here is the week's trader skill here. And that is basically the connection between your WeX account here and also all the things that this bot already knows here. So it is very simple. You're going to start the Claude session, the Claude session. How you do that is just basically type Claude here in your terminal. Then it's going to be opening up Claude. You have to ask permission to trust this folder. So you just press trust this folder. You need to give allowance from your PC here. You can tell him also to work in a specific folder or just in general in your PC. It really is up to you. If you say, okay, let's start a new folder in the downloads and call it trading skill and work from here. So you can tell it whatever to do, and he's going to make a new folder, and we're going to be working in that exact folder. You need to give him permission also to, of course, make this folder. So every single time you have to give him permission. I just gave him permission. Okay, you can build in this folder. Now also, if you look at my downloads folder, you can see here, trading skill. This is the map where it is owned. Would you like to build here? Yes, I just have to give the confirmation. Okay, so now we're building in this exact folder. Now he's asking me, what do you want to be building? So what we need to do is copy paste this command here. So I just press here on copy on this page here. Then we go to the terminal back again. We tell him, help me install the week's trader skill, which is very easy to do. So now he's going to think, he's going to search it up, and he's going to start installing the week's trader skill, which is of course very important because that is where all the data is from this smart trader. And now basically what he's doing is he is implementing all the data from the week's skill to trade into that folder where we're going to be building your AI trader. So sometimes you do need to give some approval for the bot to actually work. So you have to please read what he's building, and you have to please read what he needs to approve on. I just have to give him full access to work in the file we just agreed him to work in. what I just agreed on is to basically give him permission to work actually in the trading skill map here, which you can see over here. And he is just installing the entire bot here into this one over here. So it just got installed, and now he is asking us to do the next thing here. First of all, I will follow step 3 here in the complete guide, and that is to basically verify whether it is installed here. So quickly ask him, okay, can you please confirm if it's correctly installed? So we know for sure it hasn't got any issues whatsoever. And it gives us the confirmation the week's trader skill is completely installed and is actually working. So then we go to the next step, which is setting up your VX API keys here. And this is a very important part here, because this step basically connects your VX account here to the actual trading bot here. So how we do that is, of course, go to your VX account. And if you haven't got a VX account yet here, I would highly recommend you to sign up an account here. I will leave also a link towards it in today's video description, because there are additional deposit bonuses and also additional fee discounts available if you sign up an account using the first link below. And if you want to be joining the VIP Telegram group, where you can also find the setup to set up your own trading bot here, then you also need to have an account using the first link below to VX. So we now need to set up our API key here, and it's very simple. You log in to your account on VX, then you go to vx.com/setup a new API. And APIs are very sensitive information, because if someone steals your API key, yeah, of course, it could lead towards very big problems, because they can basically not directly access your account, but they can open trades, etc. with your account. And that is why, for the sake of this video, I am going to, of course, set up an API key, but I'm straight away going to be removing it after making the video. But that way you are going to understand how it exactly works here. So what you need to do is create an API key tutorial video. That's how I will call it. You need to give it an passphrase. So I will call it also tutorial. And then you have to give it permissions. For this bot, it depends if you also want him to let you spot trade, or if you only want him to future trade. You have to select what you want here. But in this case, at least you have to select futures, because yeah, we're building a trading bot here. So I'm going to give him permission to basically trade on futures, on spot. It doesn't have the permission to withdraw anything, so don't you worry about that. Then also, for extra safety, you can set up an IP address that only from that IP address it can be used here. So if you want to be doing that here, you can also see it over here. You can also over here whitelist your own IP. In this case, I won't do it for my own safety, because yeah, I don't want to show my IP address to the whole video. Then you need to confirm it with your email and your Google Authenticator. So I'm quickly going to do that. Then I need to also fill in my Google Authenticator. Boom. And then we created the API keys here. So we got the keys over here. I didn't blur it. I know it's for the ones that are worried. Oh, be worried about your API keys. I'm just going to remove them afterwards. So there's no need to worry about this here. So these are your keys here. So now I'm going to go back towards the tutorial. Okay, so you get your IP, you save them completely. Now, of course, I got my keys here, and I'm going to go towards the next step here, which is very, very important, because your API keys, you also don't want to share them with your terminal. You don't want to share them with your bot. So what we're doing, we're creating an .env file, which basically is a secret file on your PC, which the bot can only read but cannot extract. Just search on Google what an .env file is. It's very important to do this. So the next step here is to ask your Claude code, or wherever you're setting it up, help me open up my shell config file so I can add the important information, so the API keys. So now it's gonna think for a while, and it asks you, okay, let me open it up. So it says what I need to say here. Just say this. So if you want to be opening up this file here, it basically gave me the exact sentence I need to fill in. You need to open up a new terminal. So you do that by Command T. So I open up a new terminal. Then I type in this exact thing he told me to say. And I typed it in, and boom, here, this is the .env file. So basically the secret file where I need to fill in my codes here. So I'm going to go back to the VX website. I'm going to copy the API key, and I'm going to be pasting it exactly over here. Then the secret is the second one. I'm going to copy that over there. And then also the passphrase, which I put in at tutorial. So that was my passphrase. Of course, depends what you have. And yeah, you can try to copy this, but I will delete this after the video, so don't worry. for the ones that are saying, please, you expose your API keys. But so now we copied this in the env file. And if we're going to be looking at the tutorial, what should we do next here? We just ask the weak trader skill, please check my future balance. So use the weak trader skill to check my trading balance. I need to give him some permission first to check the files. Boom, here it says so. Total balance 2.8 million. Well, if we're going to hold it next to each other, we can see it is exactly correct here. And I got about $6,000 available since I do have everything in open order. So we can currently clearly see it is correctly connected. So that is perfectly amazing. And another important note here, make sure your security checklist is on point here, since you really should set up your IP whitelist, because it's very dangerous, because if your keys get exposed, it can cause like bad things to happen, right? So please take this into account here, which is very, very important. Never enable withdrawal permissions. The best part about VX is that they don't even allow this, that you cannot withdraw using API keys, which is very great there. Like the next thing here is we can start to build and code and make the bot even better throughout here from out the terminal. But actually what we want to do here is set up a Telegram connection, because in my opinion, that works better. Also, if I'm not at home, I can just do it from off my phone, and I can, of course, make the bot even better. So what we're going to be doing next here is set up the Telegram connection here. It's actually very, very simple here. First thing you need to do here is go to Telegram and go to botfather, at botfather, and then you can set up your own trading bot here, basically. So you send him /start, and you do basically create a new bot here. So /new bot. All right, how you're going to call it? I'm going to call it tutorial bot. Now I need to give it a name. So tutorial Rover bot. So now I successfully created a bot here. Then what we need to do next here is install this plugin so we can actually connect it here. So let me install this plugin so we can connect our bot here. And the thing is, I already did this before, so some plugins are already installed on my computer. So it says it's already installed, but this is just for the sake of tutorial. So you just fill in this. After that, because I reinstalled it, you just type in reload plugins. So it's going to reload the plugin. So what you want to be doing next here is basically fill in this code here. Telegram configure your bot token. And I'm going to do so right now here. I go back to Telegram. This is the bot token. And I'm going to open up my terminal. I'm going to remove this and copy paste my bot token, and then it's going to configure my bot token. Then you need to basically restart your Claude code, and you do that by basically closing your terminal. So you're going to terminate it, and then you're going to open it again with the following command you can see on the fourth step, and you basically give access to this folder, and boom, you're back again, and it basically restarted. Now you have to pair your Telegram account. I already did this because I already set up this bot before. But basically how you do it is by copying your exact code here. So here you can see how to get your bot token. It's very simple. You just send a message to user info bot, and yeah, you just ask start, and he will straight away give you your information about your account, also your ID. And whenever you do get your ID, you just pair your code right here, and you can basically give access to your account and only your account to send messages to this bot here. So now basically we completed the last step, and that is the Telegram connection to our trading bot here. So basically all the messages I right now send to my Telegram bot are connected with the Weeks Trader skill here. So let's say, what can the Weeks Trader skill do? We're just going to ask him. Okay, he's going to think, of course. He needs to have some time to think. And here it gives a reaction about what it can exactly do here. And of course, you can make much more here. But for example, I'm going to ask him, okay, what are the coins with most negative funding? And do you see some good trade opportunities here? So what is now very important is that you're going to actually train this bot here, because you can give him more and more input, and you can make him a better bot here. So you have to give him sometimes some allowance to do some certain things here, because you didn't allow him to do everything yet here. So sometimes it asks for permission. So now it is, of course, thinking and looking at the opportunities, because it is directly connecting with the WeX exchange. It can even place trades for us. It can even, of course, extract all the data from the platform. So what coins do actually have a negative funding? So we can see, of course, what is what is a good opportunity now in the market. So he's currently searching that up right here. But like you can see over here, it even have more opportunities. It can get live tickers, price, volume. It can place orders for you. So you can tell him, okay, every single time Bitcoin drops 3%, I want to buy. So you can basically create a DCA strategy, right? Like normally people, oh, I need to set up a bot, or sorry, I need to pay attention the whole times to buy Bitcoin to do a good DCA. I mean, if you want to be now DCA in towards this bear market, just tell him, okay, I want you to buy every single day $500 or $100. It doesn't matter. You can just tell him that, tell him to do that. Okay, I will quickly show you that in a bit. But here you can see, okay, the coins with the most amount of negative funding rates are these and these and these, all the coins that are listed here. And then the trading opportunities with negative funding rates is quickly explaining, okay, of course, what is negative funding rates and why it could lead to a good opportunity. And it basically tells you that here. And also, for example, like the opportunities are limitless what you can build with this. So I just got too many things to show here. So let's say, okay, I want you to make a trading strategy. And for example, every single time it moves below the 20 MA on the 5-minute time frame, you want to go long because this is actually a very proven good strategy, or you have different strategies you maybe look up to, and you can let it just do automatically. What parameters do you need? So we can also ask them, I want to make a trading bot, but what are the exact parameters you need me to set up here? And actually, I could actually make another video where I show you what I exactly did with my bot, because I did made a bot and it has very good parameters, and it is actually doing quite well here, but I'm still in the testing phase, right? So the bot is profitable now for the first 1 week, but of course I need to test it more and more. So if you're interested in that, please let me know. I can share this bot as well with you guys out there. I will obviously share this in the VP Telegram group quicker. So make sure to also join the VP Telegram group in the first link in today's video description, which is very, very valuable. So here, this is, for example, one of the use cases, of course, setting up your own trading bot. So I asked him, okay, what parameters do you need me to build an automatic trading strategy? So, and it's straight away asking you all the questions, and you have to fill it in. And then it's going to be making the strategy. It asks you which asset you want to be trading on, which currency you want to be using, which, like, all these things here, positioning size, entry conditions, risk management, exit, like all these very important things. And it's going to make a strategy for you. So you can make your own strategy. So you're going to be also differenting yourself from the market. But also, hey, I want to buy $500 of Bitcoin every single day. Can you do this for me? The use case is endless. I show you. It is literally endless. So that is why I freaking love this this thing here. Of course, you can also buy $500 of Bitcoin yourself. Of course, you can also manually trade here. But I prefer to trade with AI because it gets smarter and smarter over time, because it will learn. Let's say it makes a loss and it's directly going to analyze, okay, why did I make this loss? If you tell him, you have to tell him as well, analyze yourself. Prompting is very important. So he can be here. Yes, of course, I can make your daily DCA. And like, it can do all these things here since it is connected directly to VX. Like, what are my open orders? What are my open orders right now? Because it's connected to my account, it can trade for me. It can also see all these details. That's why it's so powerful. So, and also ask me, like, for example, for the DCA strategy. Okay, what time of the day? When do you want to be buying it? You can also ask him, okay, maybe you do your research. When is actually the best time to buy Bitcoin on a day? When is it usually the lowest? You can ask him all these things here, so you can optimize your DCA strategy. Or let's say, okay, only DCA every day whenever we see at least a 1% correction. You can have all these things here built in towards your strategy, making this very, very great here. So let me maybe make another video soon about this and basically show you even more use cases, what it can actually do here. But yeah, this was a brief shot about the things it can be doing here. If this is valuable for you, make sure to join the VP Telegram group where you can get full access towards this guide, so you can set up your own trading agent for yourself. I mean, AI is really getting very nice here. So thank you so much for watching. I truly hope you did learn from this video, and see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.